loosen up, loosen up, loosen up. Very loose and relaxed. These three. 1, 2, 3. Put your thumb down. Yes. And loose, very loose. And watch what happens when these three fingers go on these three buttons. Are you ready? Yes. They seem like good listeners. Loose, relax, relax. Whoa. You play the trumpet, it's amazing. Is going to show you what the electric bass sounds like by getting your body very low down and squirming across the floor. Are you ready? Yes? Belly on the floor, go. You're doing great, keep going. Isn't this good? Give her a round of applause. Okay. Your right hand, ready? And go like this. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. It gets harder, so take a deep breath. Take your right foot. Stomp. Stomp. You hear the drum?